Hi ladies, this is going to show you how to use the selection tool and the direct selection tool. They're both these top arrows on your toolbar on the upper left hand side. So to show you what they do, first we're going to start with something you can actually work with. So I'm going to go ahead and make a shape. I'll make a couple and I'll make one of the shapes have a fill. So when you have your selection tool, what happens is you click on it or you hit V on your keyboard, either one. V will get you your black arrow, your selection tool. This is going to be one of your primary tools in Illustrator. Once you make something, you can take the selection tool and move it around. You can change it. You can make it larger, different sizes. If you want a specific ratio, say this was a perfect square, maybe I just want this to stay the exact same size. If I hold down Shift, and I drag a corner, then it'll keep that ratio that I've had if I want to keep that for any reason. If I let go of Shift, then I can be back to any size I want. So that's a little bit about the selection tool. I can also use it to delete something.
Pardon this interruption. If there's anybody in the building who's interested in helping out with the club, Sarah's Smiles.
I'm not sure if you guys can hear that
that
announcement on the loudspeaker.
You
can either take everything
please meet in the fishbowl.
and make a selection around it and hit delete. If you ever want to delete everything, I'm going to hit Command Z to get that back. I can highlight one thing and just hit delete. I'm going to also undo that though. And then lastly, see these little round nubs? I can change my shapes if I pull one, it'll pull all of them because they were all highlighted. See how they're all highlighted here? They're called widgets. If I pull widgets, then I can get a variety of shapes. Now, maybe I just want one corner though to get pointy. So I can go to my direct selection tool. That's the white arrow. I can also hit A on my keyboard. And what I can do here is I can draw a selection over just part of my shape. And see how I get just a little bit activated? Now I can just make one pointy. I can bring that back in. I can also look over here. Every shape is made up of it's called anchors. So that's an anchor. You can kind of see the magenta text. And every anchor has a handle. So I can take my anchor and I can pull it in different directions. Every little square is an anchor. So if I want to make a custom shape, this can help me make a custom shape with the direct selection tool. And I can also take a handle and I can pull on that. So that's a little bit about selection tool and direct selection tool. They do more things, but this is a good basic intro to them. And that's it.